It's a cheap eat, a quick grab, and it's delicious. It's better than most of these $20, $30, $40 meals you can find out here in San Francisco. A popular and expensive meal considering that we are in San Francisco. Saigon Sandwich may just be the most popular and delicious banh mi sandwich in San Francisco. Alright guys, so we got here our Saigon Sandwich. As you can see, we're at a park because Saigon Sandwich is just a small place where they do takeaway. You grab and go type of food. It's one of those where it's next to City Hall, so there's a lot of business back and forth. If you don't want to wait in the line, don't go there at 12 o'clock. Go before that. I really like the pork because of how juicy it is. And Dennis, you have...
I got the special combination. It's pork with pork cake. I think it's the same as the roast pork, but they also add the pork cake in there as well. It's really juicy, like you said, it's really juicy as well too.
The Saigon Sandwich is one of the spots I always go to when I was working here in San Francisco. At the time, the sandwich was $4. It's now $4.50, and I believe it's cash only. They have like the combo, pork, chicken, and like I believe one or two others. I normally get the pork sandwich with the Vietnamese coffee, but today I only got the pork sandwich. Mine have pork, a lot of carrots, jalapeno, and cilantro, and whatever special sauce they have. I believe they're the highest rated banh mi place in San Francisco with roughly 3,000 reviews, 4 to 4.5 stars. So you know this spot is the spot.
First time trying it, so let's see how much I enjoy it.
You're gonna like it, I believe it.
Cool.
Alright, let's go get it. It's our fight. Cheers.
Cheers.
Instantly taste the flavor. Taste that pork right away too. That's not pate, right? It's not pate.
No.
Whatever juice is that. Juicy.
I have pate and pork cake in mine. It's really good. It's nice and big too. Not bad for $5.50.
What do you think about the bread? The bread's crunchy, crispy, right? On the outside.
Nice and crisp, yeah. Nice and crisp on the outside. There's a little chew to it, which I like with my bread.
Normally in San Francisco, you see banh mi for around $8 nowadays. For them to still have it for $4 to $5 range, that's still relatively cheap in the area of San Francisco.
And this thing is stuffed too. Like there's a good amount of meat, vegetables in here, so you're really getting your money's worth.
These banh mi doesn't taste like they taste a little different compared to the banh mi we're used to in Oakland. So in terms of parking, good luck trying to find parking around here, and Saigon Sandwich is so hard to find. The neighborhood wise, it's not really comfortable walking around here. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on to the next one. Until then, travel heads.